circle, of the energetic circle. I am truly blessed to have each and every one of you here. As always, I want to thank you for deciding to be part of this experience, for deciding to give your energy here, for deciding to give your time here, for deciding to be part of this community. Thank you for all your likes, all your subscribes. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for supporting one another. Thank you for creating such a kind, beautiful, safe environment. I will be reading. So, thank you so very much. Tonight. Thank you for supporting this channel. And tonight, I will be reading. I have decided to read another poem for you. It is one that I hold very, very dear to my heart. I have known this poem for quite a while now. It is written by Sapphire Rose. And it's an empowering poem. I would like each and every one of you, regardless of the gender, to take this poem to heart, to embrace it, to emerge into its text, into its ideas, into its messages. I would like each and every one of you to listen to this with your soul rather than your mind. I would like each and every one of you to ask yourself, how much do you show up for yourself? How much do you accept yourself? How much do you show yourself love? Or how much do you believe you accept, you love, you cherish yourself, versus how much you actually do it? I would like tonight to be the night you take the time to reflect upon yourself, upon your self-love, upon your choices, upon what you do for you or what you decide. It's too complicated, it's too much, requires too much time or too much energy to do for yourself. I would like to take tonight and reflect upon your dreams, upon your actions, upon your behavior, upon your train of thoughts. I would like for you to take tonight to reflect upon who your friends are. I would like you to see if there is anything that you could improve, anything that you could change, anything that you're listening this poem with your heart. She Let Go by Sapphire Rose. She let go. She let go without a thought or a word. She let go. She let go of the fear. She let go of the judgments. She let go of the confluence of opinions swarming around her head. She let go of the committee of indecisions within her. She let go of the right reasons. She let go of all the right reasons, wholly and completely, without hesitation or worry. She just let go. She didn't ask anyone for advice. She didn't read a book on how to let go. She didn't search the scriptures. She just let go. She let go all of the memories that held her back. She let go of all the anxiety that kept her from moving forward. She let go of all the planning and all the calculations about how to do it just right. She didn't promise to let go. She didn't journal about it. She didn't write the projected date in her daytime. She made no public announcement and put no ads in the paper. She didn't check the weather report or read her daily horoscope. She just let go. She didn't analyze whether she should let go. She didn't call her friends to discuss the matter. She didn't do a 5-step spiritual mind treatment. She didn't call the prayer line. She didn't utter one word. She just let go. No one was around when it happened. There was no applause or congratulations. No one thanked her or praised her. No one noticed a thing. Like a leaf falling from a tree, she just let go. There was no effort. There was no struggle. It wasn't good and it wasn't bad. It was what it was and it is. Just that. In the space of letting go. She let it all be. A small smile came over her face. A light breeze blew through her, and the sun and the moon shone forevermore. Dear ones, today is the day when it is safe to let go. Today is the day when it is safe to let go. Dear ones, I urge you today to let go. To let go of the fears, to let go of the judgments, to let go of the pains, to let go of the shame, to let go of being judgmental, to let go of the opinions of others, to let go of what should be, or what you are expected to be, or what you are expected to become, or how you are expected to behave. Just let go. Let go of everything that is not you. Let go of everyone that holds you back. Let go of everyone who installs fear, shame, unworthiness, and tremor in your body, in your being. Let go of all negative thoughts. Let go of all limitations. Let go of everything that holds you back, everything that keeps you small, everything that does not align with your magical, amazing self. Just let go. Like the woman in this poem, like the soul in this poem, whatever you identify yourself as. Now that this reminder is for you as well. It is time to let go. It is time to let go. Regardless of the gender, regardless of skin color, regardless of religion, regardless of place of birth, regardless of anything, we are souls. We are powerful, infinite, amazing miraculous, magical souls, and for the miracle that you are. You deserve to take good care of yourself. You deserve to show love to yourself. You deserve to show care. You deserve to show grace. You deserve to let go. Holding on to things hurts you. Holding on to things limits you. Holding on to things, it's making things harder. Holding on to things limits your potential. Holding on to things, it's lowering your beautiful vibration. So let go, let go, let go. It is safe for you to be your true, most authentic self. It is safe for you to rest in knowing that you are enough. You are valuable. You are worthy. You are amazing. You are beautiful. You are handsome. You deserve to be loved exactly as you are. You are an evolved being. You are an evolved soul. You deserve every blessing that the universe has in store for you. Rest in knowing, dear one, that you are supported, you are held, you are seen. For each and every one of the souls who listen to this, you've got this, you've got this, you've got this. Take back your power. Take back your power. Take back your power and claim what is yours. Claim what is rightfully yours. Claim the love. Claim the abundance. Claim the finances. Claim the creativity. Claim the opportunities. Claim it. Claim it. Vibrate with it. Feel with it. Embody it. And the universe will give it to you as a gift. So tonight, when you lay your head on your pillow and you close your eyes and you drift away into sleep, know that all is well. You are on the right path. You are guided by love, by grace, and by the universe. Know that it is safe to be who you truly are. Know that it is safe to let go of everything that burdens you. And know that by no means you should be who you were even a second ago. The moment you decide to evolve, you can do so safely. The universe allows it. You can change who you are in a split second. You can change your vibration in a split second. You can change your intentions, your emotions, your thoughts in a split second. It is safe to let go. It is safe to let go and let the universe work its magic